Bitcoin jumps 500 as US CPI clocks in at 5% for March 2023. Bitcoin has reacted positively to the US Consumer Price Index, CPI, data, which showed an increase of 5.0% on an annualized basis for the month of March. The news caused a surge in Bitcoin price, which rose by more than 500 points in a matter of minutes. This marks the highest annualized CPI reading since August 2014, and it is significantly higher than the average forecast of 4.5%. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics said that higher gasoline prices and shelter costs were the main drivers behind this month's increase. The positive news triggered a buying wave, pushing Bitcoin price up from $58,400 to $59,000 in a matter of minutes. After briefly dropping back to $58,800, the Bitcoin price stayed within a narrow range between $58,800 and $59,000 for most part of the day. According to data from Skew Markets, the total open interest in Bitcoin futures has reached its highest point since mid-February at $10 billion. This indicates that institutional investors are still heavily invested in Bitcoin and are ready to capitalize on any market movement. On Monday morning as Wall Street opened for trading, Bitcoin jumped by more than $500 as investors reacted positively to the news about CPI data. This move pushed BTC, USD even further away from its support level at $58,300 and towards its next resistance level at $60,000. Apart from being driven by positive macroeconomic news like this one, it is important to note that Bitcoin is also seeing strong demand from institutional investors looking for safe haven assets during times of volatility in traditional markets. Despite its recent surge above $59,000 mark, analysts believe that Bitcoin still has room to grow before it reaches its all-time high of nearly $65,000 set earlier this year. Investors are keeping an eye on what happens next with inflationary pressures and whether or not they will cause any further upward pressure on BTC, USD prices going forward. All things considered, it seems that there is still plenty of upside potential for Bitcoin as both fundamental and technical factors remain bullish for now. Thus, it's no surprise that we're seeing such a strong reaction to today's macroeconomic news about CPI data coming out from U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics.